Between extremes, given an array of numbers, return the difference between the largest and smallest values. For example, 23, 3, 19, 21, 16 should return 20 because the largest is 23 and the smallest is 3. Okay, 1, 4, 34, 5, 55, 34, and 1, 1, 2 is going to be largest minus smallest. The array will contain a minimum of 2 elements. Input data range guarantees that max minus min will cause no integer overflow. Okay, so this is a 7Q kata. I should be able to explain my thoughts while I train. Start with this one. And okay. So numbers is my array, right? I think one way to do this quickly is to perhaps sort it. And in the sort you get a callback where you have A and B, and you get to return the difference between those. What you could then do is return numbers and 0 minus numbers at 1, because at this point the numbers will be already sorted and you just want to not 1. This will be numbers at numbers.length minus 1, and at this point you will get the max what's it called, the largest value there, and the smallest value here, if I'm not mistaken. So let's test this, and of course I got it wrong. Okay, so minus 42 to equal 42. Why am I getting... Oh wait, this is B minus A, otherwise I'm sorting it the other way around, I think. Yeah, I think this is it. So this will let you know the order based on the result of this subtraction here. So in this way we are sorting the numbers in a descendant order. We could do that the other way around, the way I had it, but just know that what you need to do instead is flip these values here. So you want the very last, and you want to remove or subtract the very first. So that should also work. Oh, I got a syntax error here. Yep. So that should do it as well. Correctamundo. There you go. Yeah, let's just submit this as a solution and see what other solutions we have here. This is a cool one. So we can spread the numbers array and then use the inbuilt function max for the math object in JavaScript, and then get the max and then remove the min from there, which looks good as well. That's a good one. This is very, very similar, doing basically the same thing. It's just that this is a this is an arrow function, which is a function expression, or yeah, we're assigning that to a constant here. This is a function that will be called this way. What else do we have here? We have, oh, this is interesting. Yeah, pretty much the same idea I did have, I think. So we sort the array in an ascendant order, or sorry, in a descendant order, and then we take the first one and we remove or we subtract the very last one, and then that's our answer here. So yeah. This is also interesting, where we reduce the array of numbers to get a hold of the maximum value. And this is not getting a hold of any other, JavaScript inbuilt function or anything. We're just trying to get a hold of the maximum value, and the maximum value will be, instead of ACC, could have been like max as well here. But the idea is, as long as you don't find anything that is bigger than yours, than your value, your current value, then you will assign that, and then you will return it. And the other way around, the function's the same. That way you manually find the values, the maximum and the minimum, basically, the largest and smallest numbers for that difference. Nice. So there's a lot more solutions, but this is the one I wanted to see. Cool.